Today, we're going to dig into the story of an institution that has, well, shot up from a single faculty to a full-fledged university in just a few years. We're talking about the University of Agriculture in Dera Ismail Khan. So, have you ever wondered how a university just sprouts up? I mean, how does one academic branch blossom into its own independent university? It's a journey that takes vision, some strategic investment, and a whole lot of ambition. And today, that's the exact path we're going to trace.
Okay, so here's the game plan for breaking this all down. First, we'll get a snapshot of the university as it stands today. Then we'll jump back to its roots to see where it all came from. We'll track its super fast growth, check out what you can actually study there, and finally, we'll look at their big plans for the future.
So, let's start with the here and now. What exactly is the University of Agriculture DI Khan today?
Well, first things first, it's a public university, officially chartered back in March 2018. Now, its location in Dera Ismail Khan, that's really important because it places it right in the heart of a major agricultural region in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And under the leadership of its vice-chancellor, Professor Dr. Masroor Ilahi Babar, this young institution is really poised to make a huge impact. You'll find its home at the Sadiq Awan Memorial Complex on Bakr Road. This physical campus is basically the fertile ground where the next generation of Pakistan's agricultural experts and innovators is being cultivated right now. Okay, so now let's rewind the tape a bit and see how these roots were planted. How did this university even come to be? Its origin story is, well, it's a pretty remarkable transformation. So, the whole journey began as a single seed, the Faculty of Agriculture, which was already part of Gomal University. But then, thanks to a strategic decision by the government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, that little seed was given the space, the resources, and really the mandate to sprout into the independent institution it is today. So going from just a faculty to a full-blown university sounds great, but what did that upgrade actually look like in practice? Let's chart the key milestones that really marked its rapid path to becoming what it is. You know, when you look at this timeline, you realize just how fast this all happened. After being chartered in 2018, things really kicked into hyperdrive in 2021. You get the official recognition from the Higher Education Commission in May, then bam, just over a month later, the budget gets approved. And by the fall of that same year, the campus was up and running with students and classes. This wasn't slow, gradual growth. This was decisive, rapid progress. Okay, so a university's real value is in what it teaches, right? So what can you actually study at this new institution? Let's dive into its academic core. And wow, the curriculum is surprisingly diverse. It goes way beyond traditional farming. I mean, it covers everything from veterinary science and plant genetics to really modern fields like biotechnology and human nutrition. This whole approach shows they're committed to tackling the entire agricultural value chain, from the soil to the lab, all the way to the market. You see, these aren't just departments on a list. They are carefully designed pathways into some really vital careers. Through a growing number of undergraduate and diploma programs, the university is actively training the next generation of agricultural leaders, scientists, and entrepreneurs. But hold on, the university's vision goes far beyond the classroom. It has some seriously ambitious plans for research and development that could totally reshape the future of agriculture in the entire region. And check out how smart they're being about this. Instead of just doing general studies, they're setting up specialized institutes that focus on the region's most important agricultural products. These planned centers for date palms, temperate crops, and sugarcane, they're all designed to solve specific local challenges and drive innovation right where it's needed most. And you know these plans are serious when you see the money behind them. We're talking a massive 1 billion rupee investment from the government of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. This kind of funding is the fuel that turns the university's vision for cutting-edge research and expansion from a blueprint into a concrete reality. So think about it. From a single seed inside an older institution to a fully funded university with specialized research goals in just a handful of years, it's been a truly remarkable journey. With its roots now firmly planted and well-nourished, the real question is, what will the next harvest of knowledge from the University of Agriculture DI Khan bring?